Morning colors start to wake, tiny waves upon the lake. Drops of blue begin to flow, telling stories soft and slow. Yellow dancing into white, turning silence into light. Little rivers start to run, painting pieces of the sun. Every brush begins to breathe, secrets hidden underneath. Every line and every shade holds a dream my hands have made. Red is whispering to gold, gentle memories unfold. Green is growing like a tree, inside quiet harmony. Nothing needs a perfect way, clouds can change throughout the day. Every little broken line creates a world that feels like mine. Water moves across the page, opening a secret stage. Drops are dancing left and right, like small stars in endless night. Acrylic mountains rise and fall, colors answer to my call. Every accident I find becomes a treasure in my mind. Windows shine with afternoon, floating with a gentle tune. Brushes resting by the glass, watching quiet moments pass. The canvas slowly learns my heart. Every ending is a start, nothing lost and nothing gone, only colors moving on. Purple dreams and silver skies, living softly in my eyes. Orange sunsets start to grow, where my hidden feelings flow. I do not chase a perfect line, every mistake becomes a sign. The world I paint begins to show, the place my little dreams can go. Colors sleeping in the rain, waiting to be born again. When my hands begin to play, a new world wakes another day. Sunlight on the trees, dancing softly with the breeze. A little cabin waits for me, hidden in the forest green. tables old and warm keep the stories through the storm. Threads of colors on the floor, waiting by the tiny door. Wool becomes a little bear with a gentle handmade care. Every needle, every line turns a moment into time. Dried flowers hang above the wall, silent shadows rise and fall. Tea is breathing in the air, quiet moments everywhere. Leaves are writing little songs where the afternoon belongs. The forest whispers something new. Every dream is coming true. Scissors rest beside the cloth, tiny pieces become enough. Buttons, ribbons, pieces small, together they create it all. Nothing needs a perfect shape, every mark becomes a landscape. Every little handmade sign carries memories inside. Fingerstyle, guitar, felt, piano, soft strings, forest ambience. The golden sunlight slowly fades, painting stories in the shades. A little fox of wool and thread sleeps inside a tiny bed. Books and journals near the chair keep old dreams forever there. The quiet room begins to glow like a place only we know. When the evening comes to stay, the forest keeps the world away. Every handmade little thing holds the songs we cannot sing. The stars appear above the trees, floating softly with the breeze. The little workshop in the wood whispers everything is good. Close your eyes and you will find a little forest in your mind, where your hands can always be, creating gentle memories. Morning coffee on the table, little dreams become the label. Pencils waiting in a line for a story to be mine. Markers sleeping side by side, holding every color inside. Pages waiting quietly, like a place I wanna see. The window paints a golden line, crossing slowly over time. Every shadow on the wall whispers softly to my soul. A small notebook opens wide, keeping all the thoughts inside. Tiny sketches, little plans, made by quiet, patient hands. Nothing needs to be complete. Every mistake feels sweet. Every mark I leave behind shows another piece of mind. The afternoon begins to glow, the gentle hours moving slow. Brushes resting in a cup, waiting when I pick them up. The rhythm of a peaceful day carries all my fears away. Only colors, only light, turning ordinary bright. starts to fall. Orange sunlight paints the wall. I collect the dreams I made inside every little shade. Tomorrow waits beyond the night. Another page, another light. My little studio will stay to welcome a brand new day. Coffee cups and colored lines, tiny worlds and little signs. Every moment that I knew becomes a piece of something new. Morning coffee